smoky. Sounds a wee bit thundery tonight. Maybe I'll get to see some lightning striking. Woohoo! Raining and a bit of a smoky fire, but it's alright. Warm, I'll be dry enough. Get a good tarp, having some mac and cheese, kind of pot noodle style. It's not that great, but some heat. Catch you later. I've never really done a video from inside the hammock. When I'm hanging in the hammock, this is the black hammock, which I call the body bag. This is me hanging in it, and there's the fire just kind of whirling away there. And then I've got my wee fairy lights up, looking all sparkly. Just hanging and chilling, enjoying the sea view. It's pretty nice, as it always is. And it's a wee bit more laid back tonight. I had a wee scoff of some treats, some the buttercup things, peanut butter and chocolate cups. And despite the rain, I'm actually quite impressed with the fire. Just a few chunky logs on it, and that'll last a wee while, I think. But I guess the reason I don't show much of the hammock is because there's not much of a view, and it's all black. But yeah, I'm not fully in, but I'm just hanging and lounging, as you do. Catch you later. Woohoo! Toasty cozy. Kind of a night shot with the headlamp on. I wish I could have filmed that pack up, but I had more important things to do. Oh, the tide's coming in or tide's coming out. I better kind of watch where I'm going. I brought the wrong tarp. That tarp was far too wee. This is the only time, not the only time, first time. I should have brought that DD tarp. I know you can't see me, but look at the rain coming down, and I'm all kind of packed up, waterproofed. I figured lie there and worry about waking up to a soggy gear or remain dry with what I've got and bear the walk home. And the walk home is the better option, especially when I didn't take the right kit. Lesson learned here: be prepared for the worst. It's better to take a heavy tarp and not need it than not take it and need it, as the old saying goes. Anyway, I'll spare you this kind of dodgy vision, the dodgy view. It's actually, I'm smiling because it is fun. Thanks to this headlamp, the walk home is going to be a lot easier. The backpack's got its waterproof bit on. Everything's all in the backpack, stuffed in, no worrying about neatly packing or anything. Stuffed in, ready to go, and we're heading home, folks. Catch you later.